Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the lifetime learning credits on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So first thing first, you got to determine if you're eligible for the lifetime learning credit, and of course you can do that. You can check that on Turbotax website. So go ahead and check if you're eligible for the lifetime learning credits. Next step is going to be to gather your necessary documents. So if you're eligible, you want to go ahead and collect your education expense documents, including your form 1098T. Go ahead and get all that ready. Once you have them ready, go ahead and log into your Turbotax account. So just go on Turbotax website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim your credit for. Once you've selected that, go ahead and choose credits, and then you're going to select lifetime learning credits as your credit type. Next step is to enter your credit information, including of course your education expenses and qualified tuitions. Once that's entered, you're going to claim the credit based on your eligibility and credit information. So go ahead and do that. And the final step is going to be to review your credit claim and submit it to the IRS. So make sure that everything is accurate before you go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take it from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the lifetime learning credit on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will catch you guys in the next one.